Janak's interest is only dance. Once Archit get married, the girl will leave here from here. Yes, but before she leaves, I want the marriage that happened due to their circumstances to be annulled. Because I don't want any kind of problem in Anuruddha and Archie's life. Before she leaves, it is necessary that this marriage to be cancelled. Who knows? 10 years from now, Janak might change her mind and stand up for the and to claim her rights. What we will do then? Well, all these possibilities should end. That's why this task is necessary so that we don't face any kind of problem in future. You are absolutely right, brother. So what's happening now? Divorce? Why divorce? Where did when there is no marriage, how can there be divorce? These papers are to annul the marriage. Whatever drama had happened, it's to annul it. That's why Aniruddha and Janak will sign these papers. Shubhu, if this had to be done, it could have been done earlier also, na? Today is our and Ani's blessing ceremony. So why are you bringing all this up? Bro, I am lawyer. You won't understand this. To prove that there is no relationship between Ani and Janak, we are all witnessing the same. Father-in-law, was there ever any relationship? I don't understand why this topic is being brought up now. If there is no relationship between Ani and Janak, no marriage happened, then what's the need to argue about it? Everyone knows there was no relationship. Brother is doing what's best for everyone. No one should have a problem with this. And look, she didn't go to Kashmir. We saw whatever had happened. The priest there refused to marry them. That's why, uncle, whatever is happening, it's very important for everyone. But we never paid much attention to this. Mom, we didn't pay attention, but others did, right? Whatever had happened, it's necessary right now. Okay. But why are we discussing this topic now? Well, Arshi, there is no need to argue. I did what was right. I am lawyer. I understand all this very well. Most importantly, I asked for both their consent also. Why, Janak? Yes? Isn't that right, Anirudh? Come on, sign it.
More such videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.